This is a video tutorial about the Infinite Market Potential Map tool. The tool is aimed to look for a market where to renovate buildings with industrialized solutions. The tool has two main functionalities: the Country Level tab and the Building Level tab. This is the Country Level tab section of the tool. It allows users to compare building-related data across different countries. By selecting specific parameters, users generate a color-coded map displaying relevant information for quick and intuitive comparisons. For example, the user can compare the number of dwellings built between 1945 and 1969 per country. The data are presented in a graded color, being the darkest one the highest and the lightest one the lowest. The color and its opacity can be customized by the user. Several layers can be created and activated or deactivated according to the user needs. Finally, the user can upload their own data sets to visualize them in the map. For example, the template must be downloaded, then filled in with the customized data and then be uploaded. In this case, the template has been filled in with the owner-occupied housing price index, annual rates of change Q for 2024% from Eurostat. To view the dataset, the user must go back to the map. The parameters previously specified must now be selected. In this case, it can be appreciated that Bulgaria is the country with the highest annual rate of change. Following this example, the user can include the datasets of interest to explore market opportunities by country. The data can also be visualized in the form of a ranking chart. This is the Building Level tab section of the tool. It allows the user to make data-driven decisions about building renovations and locate key opportunities for industrialized renovation approaches. To determine whether a particular building is suitable for industrialized renovation, it must be located on the map, by zooming in or by entering its address in the search bar. Then, the user must add it as a point of interest, POI, fill in the required building information and save it. After that, the user must fill in a questionnaire about the characteristics of the building and click on Infinite Kits to view the renovation solutions applicable to the building. When an answer is selected, specific information is provided below to guide the user on whether a solution can be installed in the building. Depending on the answers provided, this window shows the infinite kits that could be installed in the building. To add the building to the map, it must be saved. This section of the tool is also useful for detecting regions with a high concentration of buildings that could be renovated using industrialized solutions. This allows the user to identify areas with high renovation potential. The users can apply filters to display only those buildings where specific renovation kits are feasible. For example, the user can visualize the buildings where the green envelope facade kit, the green envelope roof kit, the energy and fresh air distribution envelope kit, the smart window kit, the building integrated photovoltaic system, the solar thermal generation system, the adaptable building management system and the adaptable dwelling management system.